Of course. So we love having you. You have all kinds of great tips for our viewers. What do you have today? Personal property taxes, huh?
Yeah, so a lot of business owners around the area have received these handy papers in the mail recently. They're going out in Lafayette Parish, all over Louisiana, and even out of state, businesses are required to file personal property taxes. Now, what this is you're reporting to the assessor's office your ending inventory and any assets and furniture, fixtures, equipment that you have on hand. And a lot of people are like, why? Why do I have to report that? Because you actually have to pay taxes on that every year. So this camera I'm talking on, my computer, my desk, the chair, all this gets reported to the assessor's office because me as a business owner, this piece of property, these pieces of property are making me money and therefore are going to generate taxes annually. So one of the reasons it's so important once you actually get the form to fill it out is because once you're on the assessor's radar, if you don't fill it out, they're going to fill it out for you. And generally, they're going to assess that you have more than you own or the value of what you purchase is top notch. So if you're buying a used computer when you start a business, you want to be able to tell them that, hey, I bought this computer and I only spent $300 on it, as opposed to them thinking that you bought a brand spanking new MacBook costing, almost $2,000. So that's one of the big reasons why it's important to report. Now, once you report it and you file it, the assessor is going to give it a value. And you're going to get a notice in October that says, this is what we assess the value of your computers, your furniture, your machinery and equipment that you have with your business. And it's really, really important to look at that and make sure that nothing seems out of the ordinary. And then after that, you'll get the bill in December, and that's when the actual taxes are due. Now, I know a lot of people just pass these off to their CPAs to prepare, and that's fine. What's really important is that if your preparer and your CPA is keeping track of all your assets every year, that you're also telling them what you disposed of and got rid of. Because if you're only telling them what you purchased, your preparer is not showing up to your place of business every day and trying to figure out which computers you threw out, which desk you got rid of, which copy machine no longer works. So it's important that you communicate that information because the assessor's office is going to continue to tax you on it as long as they think you have it on site.
This is all great information as always, Robin. Thank you so much for breaking this down for our viewers.
Thank you.
If you at home want to rewatch this interview, head to our website, klaf.com.